Hello everyone and welcome to the second part of our tutorial. This tutorial will show you some other options regarding margins. So we're going to design, let's say, in a more complex way. So let's start. My perimeters are already in place and actually I'm going to use the same perforation as the last time, at least at the beginning. So let's click on Add Position, confirm perimeters and choose one of MEVACO templates. I'm going to choose multiple perforated zones template. As you see, we have a reference drawing and some fields where we can adjust values or add some columns and lines. I would like to have 4 columns and 2 lines. Just bear in mind that whenever I add columns or adjust dimensions, this drawing is not getting updated. It's only a reference drawing. It's not a dynamic sketch. As I told you, today we're going to deal with internal margins. So I would like to alter this F3 margin and increase it to 50 millimeters. Speaking of B1, B2, B3 column width, I would like to have them all the same. In order to do that, I need to add all of them and divide by 4, which gives me 262.5. I'm going to copy. This is all well. Lines, I will leave them as they are. And let's see what the designer is going to show us whenever we click Create. So I click on Create, go to the Perforated Zone section and turn off my grid. As you see, we have 8 fields filled with perforation. This last section, however, doesn't have this column. Something is missing in here. Just bear in mind that designer has filled it all, but by default automatically. When I zoom in, I see this raster which my perforation is actually following and depicting. This raster, this is the standard version. The standard version, by that I mean the way we manufacture it in a standardized option, right? Of course, we can adjust everything manually. We can make some fine tuning. There's no problem with that. In order to do that, I need to choose one of my tools, adjustment tool. As you see, automatic alignment has been done by default. Now I click on the manual adjustment and now I can move actually my perforation to the left, down, farther down, to the left again. Oh, now I'm happy. Let's say now I'm happy. I could also choose one of those fields and alter them. So I can go down. Okay, would like to show you that actually you can rotate your perforation. In order to do that, I'm gonna choose another perforation. Let's choose slotted holes, slotted 5 by 20, 9 by 24, steel. Gonna choose this segment here by 45 degrees. And they say it's done. I'm gonna go to preview to show you. This is a very useful tool when you want to rotate your perforation or just for the purpose of some more complex designs. When you really need to alter the direction of your perforation, go back to the perforated zone, turn off my grid, again adjustment. We're gonna go back to the previous setting. Here we are. And now I would like to rotate everything by 90 degrees. See, it has happened. My perforation has been rotated. This is a very useful tool. I hope you're going to make a use of it really quite pretty well. Of course, I can also move this perforation field slightly as I prefer. I would like to show you another type of adjustment, like removing single holes. In order to do that, I need another template. So let's use rhomboid template. Dimensions, they really don't matter. So I click on create, but I will choose different type of perforation square. Pretty big one, 50 millimeters, and hole pitch 100. I'm going to turn off the grid. And as I told you, we can remove single holes. So again, I will go to the adjustment tool, manual adjustment, and here at the very bottom, you've got perforation adjustment tool. I click on it. And let's say I would like to remove this hole just to keep it more consistent, because you see that they don't run diagonally, fully diagonally. I can remove by clicking. I can remove more holes. Like this, it's gone. I can remove that one as well. With a second click, I can place it back on my metal sheet. So that's done, really. Of course, I can keep moving my perforation, see what happens. However, whenever I move it to the left or to the right, this deleted hole doesn't change its position. So just bear in mind that deleting holes can be done at the end of your design just to keep it clean and that there will be no surprises. So that would be my advice for you. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Enjoy Designer and have fun.